Hi everyone, this is Yogita and in this video, team He, She and Baby will take you to the Zinc Whitefield, Bangalore. So after so many months, we finally decided to go for a staycation and we chose the Zinc for so many reasons. And of course, the one very first reason is they are taking all the precautions. They are, sanitizing your luggage, room and bed sheets and all, so that you can have a safe and comfortable stay. The Zinc is basically a business cum leisure hotel and has all the amenities like bar and restaurant, meeting rooms, high-speed Wi-Fi, conference halls, pool, kids play area, gym, spa, private theater and much more. It's a new property and yes, the rates are quite amazing. And now let's see the highlight about the Zinc. So the Zinc has theme-based floors and rooms that makes it a very unique property. So we stayed at the movie floor and we stayed in the Lagan room, and yes, the same floor has Jungle room and Bajirao Mastani room and this Jodha Akbar and much more. The other two most popular floors are the British theme floor and the Elite theme, and they have their uniqueness. And yeah, you're going to see the glimpse of those floors also. The amenities are same, but the look and feel is different to make you feel very special. Now let's talk about the food. They serve amazing delicious food, and yes, we even had very romantic candlelight dinner there, and yeah, everything was so perfect. So yeah, food is also a plus point to go there. I have created a separate video for this romantic dinner date, so make sure you check that. Link is in the description and on your screen. We had the amazing time at the Zinc and we find it really amazing for a business stay or maybe for a staycation kind of stay. So make sure you check this property, book for yourself, and I think you'll love it too. If you have any questions, you can write down in the comments. I'll try to reply as soon as possible. And yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a like, share, and until next video, bye bye.